Hi guys, it's G again and meron na naman ako isi-share sa inyo ng mga fun facts about movies. Well, ang isi-share ko ngayon is about the story of The Passion of Christ. Well, it was directed by Mel Gibson at nare-release itong movie na to noong 2005. Ito ay isang biblical story. Well, alam ko sa inyo na every Holy Week talaga tayo nanonood to. Pero as in, ngayon ko lang talaga na-discover na meron pala talagang nangyari or meron talagang life-changing na nangyari because of this movie. And it was inspired by this person. Ito si Pietro Sarubi. He was actually an Italian actor and writer. At mas kilala natin siya sa kanyang role as Barabbas sa movie na The Passion of Christ. At alam niyo ba na si Pietro Sarubi, ang religion na dati, isa siyang atheist. That's why siguro in this movie, yung character niya is a Barabbas. Pero ang hindi niya alam dito sa scene na to, magbabago ang kanyang buhay. Kasi sa scene na to, nung pinalaya siya as Barabbas ng mga Pharisees and scribe ng mga tao, nung makita niya to, nung makita niya si Jesus Christ parang nagkaroon ng glimpse si Barabbas dito. Pero in real life, totoo talaga ito. Totoo ang glimpse ito dahil according sa I felt as if there was an electric current between us. I saw Jesus himself. So, nung makita daw niya yung actor na nag-portray ng Jesus Christ, parang feeling niya, mas hindi niya nakita yung actor. Kasi mas nakita niya talaga, he saw Jesus Christ himself. And you know, ang interesting facts about this movie, just like what I told you before na he was an atheist, alam nyo, after ng movie na to, he was baptized and he became actually Christian.